The first question we want to ask is, who is it for? Let's talk about how to design your business. Now, this is usually the first place people get stuck, and it's because they overcomplicate it. It doesn't have to be, it can be very easy. You want people who have the same shared interests as you, the same common goal, or the same common problem. And so, a really easy way to think about this is how can you create a solution to your own problem? Because right now, if there's a problem you're trying to solve, whether it's how to develop a web app, how to change a tire, a certain cooking recipe, whatever it may be, if it's a problem or a solution that you're trying to create or solve, odds are there's going to be a lot of people in your community or out there in other communities that are trying to solve the same thing. Now, one of the amazing parts about Skool and the engagement and the people you'll meet is you don't necessarily have to start out as an expert. However, if you are an expert already, start providing that content for free. Provide value to your community about the problem or the solution that you're creating. That's going to generate a lot of traffic to your community, and you'll be able to make some really awesome friends within it. Now, the best part about Skool is even if you want to crowdsource it and get started, that is what is incredible about Skool. You have access to experts across the entire world who can help you with the solution to your problem. You can reach out to your community, ask for collaboration, and before you know it, it'll grow into a solution for your problem. Now, the next question you're going to have to ask yourself is, do I want my community to be free or do I want my community to be paid? Skool provides a ton of options for that, including one-time purchases, annual subscriptions, and a monthly membership to your community. If you're just starting out, here's my recommendation. Start your community for free. Get people in your community, provide value, and give it to them for free. Find out what they're interested in, start providing value, and when you're comfortable and your community is strong enough, then you can convert it to paid. What's really cool about Skool is even if you start people in a free community and you switch it to paid, your original founding members won't be upcharged. They can stay at that free price as the founding members of your community for life. That way, they're engaged, they're contributing, and you're not going to charge your free customers a new price when your community gets bigger. That'll only be for the new members that join your community down the road. And for the paid options in Skool, they provide a ton of options. Any pricing option you want to turn your community into a paid community and monetize your skills, hobbies, and interests. It's a versatile platform. It enhances engagement, encourages making friends, and is hands down the best platform I've ever worked on to design, grow, and scale a digital business. Start your community today.